welcome. As I was editing the video of the plant that I was featuring, I was still struggling in deciding whether this plant right here, I already showed you outside, you guys will see a better lighting of it. If it was indeed a Graptoveria, right here, I'm sorry. Graptoveria Silver Star, here is a picture. Or a Graptoveria right there. Because the Silver Star is a cross, it's a hybrid between this one and the Echeveria agavoides var multifida. Here's the name right there. So let me show you the one that right here. See, it says that the Graptoveria Silver Star is a hybrid between the Graptopetalum phyllorum, however you say these names. So I'm having a hard time. So maybe through the video, you guys can comment down below. Which one do you think it really is? Is it the Silver Star or the phyllorum? Or however you want to say that. So this is the one I thought I have, and I still think I have. And then this is the one that the hybrid is, well, the one that she's crossed with the agavoides. I will link these websites down below and you guys can help me choose. Now let's get to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as I spoke to you guys earlier on when the year started, I had said that I wanted to make videos featuring a certain plant, but not just any succulent, a succulent that I've had more than a year, and letting you know where it has been during that year and why I think it's been thriving. So that's pretty much what I am going to do today. So today's special succulent is the Graptoveria Silver Star. Here she is. She's got a baby right there. This is a very beautiful succulent. It's got those pink edges right there. So this succulent has been inside my house by a sliding glass door. I have a shelf there, and it's a south-facing sliding door, but I get more sun now during the winter than I do in the summer. So it's getting more light now than it did before, but it's been there for the whole year. That's where it hangs out. I tend to water my plants, the ones that are outside, more than the ones that are inside. It should be that way because out here they will dry faster than the ones inside, but I do tend to forget about them a little bit, and I'm just being honest. I've not killed a plant for forgetting to water it. Yeah, and that's why I like succulents. That is one of the biggest, well, that's one of the reasons why. Because they're very forgiving. If I have a regular plant that needs water frequently, I can pretty much assure you that I'm gonna kill it. So yeah, I'll just water this basically when I remember, and normally I tend to notice that I would say 3 weeks have gone by and then I go, oh, I haven't watered my indoor plants, let me water them. So I'm being honest with you guys. But this is a very nice plant to have indoors in a bright area. Really nice. Look at those colors. So the Graptoveria Silver Star, I've had her since June 2017. So actually, I think it will be almost 2 years when we get to June. And then, so this is a hybrid. And it was a mix of a Graptopetalum phyllorum, I will write that on the screen, and an Echeveria agavoides multifida. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I googled them, both of the names, and they look pretty much the same. Some are just greener, maybe more, I don't know, open. That's what I saw. I really couldn't tell the difference. They looked a lot alike, and I looked at several pictures and they just kept looking very similar. So these videos obviously are not very long. And that's it. That's what I have to share. If you would like to know more about it, you can Google the Graptoveria Silver Star Hybrid, and you can, you know, get more information of where it came from and all that. I just wanted to share with you where I've had her, how long I've had her. So I've had her since, like I said, June 2017, and for most of that time, pretty much the whole time, she's been indoors. I had her in the beginning, maybe for a few months outside, and since it was the summertime when I first got her, she was struggling a little bit with the heat out here, so then I brought her inside to my house and put her by that sliding door window. So yeah, so if you want to try her out in your indoor and you want to put her in a south-facing window, I think she will do just fine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.